Hello, Leaders Candidate. I'm Jennifer Muth Youngkin, the Undergraduate Program Director and Master Lecturer for the Psychology Department here at Old Dominion University. First, I want to applaud you for taking the initiative to participate in the Leaders Program. As you've learned through researching the Leaders Program requirements, cultivating an e-portfolio provides the perfect vehicle for which to showcase your learning experiences and skills gained from your educational endeavors. One of the things that prospective employers and graduate selection committees will be looking for in your e-portfolio is a demonstration of integrative learning. The Association for American Colleges and Universities, or the AAC&U, defines integrative learning as an understanding and a disposition that a student builds across the curriculum and co-curriculum, from making simple connections among ideas and experiences to synthesizing and transferring learning to new, complex situations within and beyond the campus. So basically, you want to illustrate that you've made connections between what you've learned in your courses and outside experiences. For instance, if you participated in the Diversity Studies Certificate program, you would want this page to include a reflection on how Sociology 320, Social Inequality, and the other two courses that you took to complete the certificate relate to one another, and describe how your perspective of diversity has broadened as a result of this experience. To facilitate this reflection, you may want to refer to the syllabus for each of these courses. Did any of the learning objectives overlap? Were there any topics in common? Be sure to include an artifact that represents a resultant skill that you wish to highlight. Be specific as to why you chose to include this artifact and state how it demonstrates this skill or outcome. For example, let's go to ECTA's page. So this is ECTA, a student from, go back down here. This is ECTA, a student from my Psych 420 Cross-Cultural Psychology Study Abroad course. This is a picture of her presenting her final e-portfolio course project to her classmates and is hyperlinked to her website, which communicates how studying abroad honed her cultural competence and fostered cultural comparisons relevant to the discipline of psychology. Further, her website addresses several of the diversity reflection activity prompts. So if we click on her site, it takes us to many of the things that she learned in the course. So that's integrative learning in a nutshell. You want to very clearly walk your audience through how you made connections and applied your learning beyond your coursework.